This is Tom Bird, Senior Forecaster with the National Weather Service in El Paso, with a winter weather briefing for significant snow expected Saturday morning, December 26th through Sunday, the 27th. This was recorded Christmas Eve, Thursday, December 24th. What's changed since yesterday? Well, the system timing, it's a little bit slower to arrive and a little bit quicker to exit. So that means for snow amounts, although they look very similar still today, we are trending a bit downward in the amount of snow. Confidence levels are still high that we'll see an area-wide high-impact snow event, but only moderate on the snow amounts for any given location. We do expect a heavy snow event for southwest New Mexico and far west Texas, and we expect it to begin Saturday morning for the mountains out west, Saturday afternoon and evening for most of the rest of the area, and extend until late Sunday night. Expected snow amounts 12 to 24, 1 to 2 feet in the Sacramento Mountains. That's mostly on the east slopes. And then all areas east of the Continental Divide, that includes the lowlands, would see 3 to 7 inches with this system. And then west of the Continental Divide, the lowlands, including Deming and Lawrenceburg, would see 1 to 3 inches. This is the snow footprint expected based out of 2 models for the event. And so what it shows is the aerial extent of the snowfall across West Texas and New Mexico, showing that not just our area will be greatly impacted. Here are the impacts for holiday travel. We expect it to be affected as some of the roads in the area may need to be temporarily closed as road crews are icing and sanding or salting and sanding the roads. So I-25, I-10, some of the passes may be temporarily closed. Treacherous road conditions with snow-packed roads and ice bridges, low visibility in snow and fog also likely. Air traffic could see delays and cancellations. As far as health goes, slips and falls will be common on hard-packed surfaces where ice and snow make them very slick. Exposure concerns are going to be elevated Monday and Tuesday as we see very cold air move in with teens for lows and highs in the 20s and 30s. And then there may be a few event delays and cancellations. The Sun Bowl game will occur before we start seeing snow, so it shouldn't be affected by any snow. Commercial power, we're expecting maybe some strains, and there could be some possible interruptions as we get very cold air and a lot of people are trying to stay warm in the area and putting a strain on the power grid. Then we also expect some damage to pipes and plants. Here's the storm evolution. Early Saturday, the storm will still be out to our west with cold air still to our north. So we'll start seeing precipitation Saturday, but most of it should be in the form of rain showers. We get into Saturday night and Sunday. This is the peak snowfall period for the area as the cold air will move in and the system will slowly pass across the area and give us our best chances for snow across the region. Then Sunday night, the system exits off to the east across central Texas. The snow will end and the cold air will start to really settle in for very cold nights upcoming Monday and Tuesday. Here's the approximate times we think that the rain will turn over to snow. Earlier out west in the Sacramento Mountains, and then later in the evening hours across the rest of the area, and primarily the lowlands of southwest New Mexico and far west Texas. Here are our current snowfall amounts as we have them forecast out of the office. The river valley of the Rio Grande looks like we're averaging around 4 to 6 and then even up to 6 to 8 in some areas. More snow as you go east of the river and less snow as you go west. Uncertainties, we're still wondering exactly where the heaviest snow will fall because of the way snow tends to fall in bands. Some areas get intense snow, others just only moderate. So, Las Cruces could get 8 while El Paso gets 4, or it could be vice versa. It's really hard to make that call. Timing of the rain turning over to snowfall is our second uncertainty. It will be any time between late Saturday afternoon and through the evening hours on Saturday. And then the storm exit. The models are now speeding it up a bit, and so now it looks like it wants to exit the area Sunday night, but it could linger into Monday. Here's the current watches, warnings, and advisories. We do have a winter storm watch out in the pink for all those areas for Friday night through Sunday afternoon. It will be upgraded to winter storm warnings for heavy snow, likely tonight or tomorrow. And then in the bluer areas, winter weather advisory, not yet issued, but expected to be issued probably tomorrow. Here are the summary for the impacts. Road closures due to snow-packed or icy roads, treacherous travel conditions, slips and falls, exposure danger, commercial power, event cancellations, pipe and plant damage. Again, we thank you for joining us today. for this impactful snow event that we're expecting across the region. Please stay tuned for updates. We do plan on doing another web brief tomorrow on Christmas Day. So check our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and our webpage for the latest. Thank you for your time, and have a Merry Christmas.